Hello students, in this video we will see how to represent rational numbers on the number line and how to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Look at this number line. This number line shows natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So the line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1. This number line shows whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So the line extends indefinitely to the right but from 0 and there are no numbers to the left of 0. This number line shows integers. As you can see here student, on the right hand side of the 0 there are positive integers and on the left hand side of the 0 there are negative integers. So the line extends indefinitely on both sides. But do you find any numbers between -1, 0 and 0 and 1? For that we will divide distance between 0 and 1 into two equal parts. So the first part will equal to your half, that is 1 upon 2. And if you divide distance between 0 and -1 into two equal parts, the first part will equal to your -1 upon 2. So this line extends indefinitely on both sides, but now you can see numbers between -1, 0 and 0 and 1. Let's divide this distance between 0 and 1 into three equal parts. Obviously, this first part will equal your 1 upon 3. But what will be the value of this second part? Obviously, the value of this second part will be 2 upon 3. Similarly, we can represent 1 upon 8 also on the number line. For that, we will divide distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Maybe one question will come in your mind student, why we are dividing this distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Look at this number student, since 1 upon 8 is less than 1, that because we are dividing distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. The first part will equal 1 upon 8, second part will be equal to 2 upon 8 and so on. And the last part which is equal 8 upon 8 equals to 1. Let's try to solve this question. As you can see here student, first part is your 0 upon 5 which is equal to 0. Second part you have to find. Next part is your 2 upon 5. Next part is your 3 upon 5 and so on. And you have to find the values of A, B, C and D. As you can see here student, after this 0 upon 5 and before this 2 upon 5, which number will come? Obviously 1 upon 5. So the value of A will be 1 upon 5. And after this 3 upon 5, which number will come? Obviously 4 upon 5. So the value of B will be 4 upon 5. And after this 4 upon 5, which number will come? C equal 5 upon 5 which is equal to 1. So on. Now we can find this D part also. Between this 8 and 10, which number will come? Obviously 9 upon 5. So the value of D will be 9 upon 5. Student, can you tell the natural numbers between 1 and 5? Yes, they are 2, 3 and 4. How many natural numbers are there between 7 and 9? Yes, there is only one natural number between 7 and 9 and that is 8. How many natural numbers are there between 10 and 11? Obviously, there is no natural number between 10 and 11. So, we can say that we can find a definite number of natural numbers between two natural numbers. It means we can find only limited number of natural numbers between two natural numbers. Look at this for integers also. How many integers are there between -5 and 1? Obviously -4, -3, -2, -1 and 0. How many integers are there between -1 and 1? Yes, there is only one integer lies between minus 1 and 1, and that is 0. How many integers are there between minus 9 and minus 10? Obviously, there is no integers lies between minus 9 and minus 10. So we can say that we can find a definite number of integers between two integers. Let's see for rational numbers also. How many rational numbers are there between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10? Maybe our answer will be 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. But we can write 3 upon 10 as 30 upon 100 and 7 upon 10 as 70 upon 100. Now the numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 are 31 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 33 upon 100 and so on, 68 upon 100 and 69 upon 100. Similarly, we can write 3 upon 10 as 3000 upon 10,000 and 7 upon 10 as 7000 upon 10,000. Now we can see here the rational numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 are 3001 upon 10,000, 3002 upon 10,000 up to 6999 upon 10,000. These are 3999 numbers in all. In this way, we can insert more and more rational numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. So, unlike natural numbers and integers, the number of rational numbers between two rational numbers is not defined. We get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. There is another method also for finding rational numbers between given two rational numbers. We can use idea of mean also to find rational number between any two given rational numbers. With the help of this method, we can find exact middle value of given rational number. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b upon 2 is a rational number between a and b such that a is less than a plus b upon 2 is less than b. It means a plus b upon 2 will lies between a and b. Let's find two rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. First rational number we will apply the same formula a plus b upon 2. Here the value of a is 1 upon 4 and the value of b is 1 upon 2. First we will add these two numbers and then we will divide it by 2. We will get 1 plus 2 upon 4 divided by 2, 3 upon 4. This divide sign will convert into multiply and reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2. We will get 3 upon 8. So this 3 upon 8 lies between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Now we have to find second rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. For that we will find a rational number between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. We will apply the same formula. First we will add this 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. Then we will divide it by 2. We will get 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 which is equal to 5 by 16. So the rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 are 5 by 16 and 3 by 8. So the student, with the help of this process, we can find infinite many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Let's summarize this video. First, we can represent rational numbers on the number line such as whole numbers and integers. And between two rational numbers, there are countless rational numbers.